Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best ratchet for tight spaces, the Tiosamd Stubby Ratchet set. If you're into mechanical work, automotive repairs, or just need a solid tool for your home projects, this compact powerhouse might just earn a spot in your toolbox. Let's start with what makes this the best ratchet in its class. Right out of the box, the Tiosamd Stubby Ratchet impresses with its compact size and rugged construction. Measuring only 4.52 inches in length and weighing under 11 ounces, this mini ratchet is purpose-built for tight, awkward spaces. Like under the sink, behind an engine block, or inside cabinetry where full-length ratchets simply won't fit. This set includes a 3/8-inch drive ratchet handle and a 3-inch extension bar. The extension is a clever addition. It gives you that little bit of extra reach without compromising on torque or control. Perfect when you're just shy of a bolt or fastener. The ratchet itself is built from high-hardness chrome vanadium steel. It's a material known for strength and longevity. When you pick it up, it doesn't feel like a cheap throwaway tool. It has weight, precision, and grip, the kind of quality that inspires confidence even in demanding tasks. Functionally, this is a 72-tooth ratchet. That means it only requires a 5-degree swing arc to engage the next tooth. In other words, you can make adjustments with minimal handle movement, which is critical in confined areas. Whether you're working on HVAC systems, marine engines, or a cramped brake assembly, you'll appreciate that kind of fine control. Switching directions is fast and intuitive thanks to a paddle switch at the back of the head. A single press toggles between forward and reverse. No fiddling around, just a simple, quick flip, even with gloved hands. And to keep your socket locked in place, it features a quick release button at the center. Press it once, the socket clicks off, easy, efficient, and smooth. Another thoughtful design element is the embedded steel ball inside the head. It ensures that your socket doesn't fall off while you're working. That's one less thing to worry about when you're already trying to work in a frustratingly tight spot. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is built for real-world performance. The grip is ergonomic. The finish is smooth but not slippery, and the compact profile makes it a game-changer for any scenario where space is at a premium. And let's not forget, it's also packaged nicely, making it a solid gift option. Tools might not be everyone's idea of a perfect present, but for anyone who values function and reliability, the Tiosamd Stubby Ratchet hits the mark. To wrap things up, the Tiosamd Stubby Ratchet set combines premium build quality, smart design, and practical performance in one compact package. Whether you're working in your garage, on a job site, or inside your kitchen cabinetry, this ratchet delivers exactly what you need: power, precision, and portability. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in checking out the Tiosamd Stubby Ratchet, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if there's a tool you want us to test next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.